Hello students! In our previous video, we learned that an AP is special sequence which has particular formula to calculate its nth term. So can we define an AP? Yes, we can. An arithmetic progression or AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term, except the first term. This fixed number is called as common difference. In other words, we can also say that a mathematical sequence in which the difference between two consecutive terms always remains constant is called as an AP or arithmetic progression. For example, say sequence of -2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is an AP. Recall that each number or element in the sequence is called a term of the AP. The element or number in the first position is called the first term. Say here, first term is -2. The element or number in the second position is called second term. Here it is 0. And what about third term? Correct, it will be 2. Consider the same example of AP. Observe that here next term is obtained by adding 2 to the previous term. So 0 is obtained by adding 2 to -2. Or we can also say that difference between 0 and -2 is 2. Similarly, third term is obtained by adding 2 to 0. Or difference between 2 and 0 is 2. So we can say that common difference between all the consecutive terms of this AP is 2. So now, can you tell me what will be the general form of AP? Let us see another example. Can the sequence 2, 6, 10, 14 and so on be called as an arithmetic progression or AP? Pause the video, take a second and think about it. Yes, it is a sequence because it follows a pattern where each successive number is obtained by adding 4 to its previous term. That is, common difference here is 4. Now let us write our example again. Here we know that in the sequence -2 is first term. Let us denote it as A. Then how do we write its second term? As we can see that here the common difference is 2. And if we call the common difference as D, then we can write it as A plus D. So now we know how we got the second term 0. That is by adding common difference D to first term. That is -2. And then what about the third term? Yes, it can be written by adding 2 to the second term. That is 0 plus 2 equal to 2. Or with respect to first term, we will add common difference 2 times. That is A plus D, which is A plus 2D. And here it will be -2 plus 2 plus 2 or -2 plus 2 into 2. That will give us 2. And so on, we can write the 4th, 5th, 6th terms for this AP, and so on we can continue. Students, both the ways of writing are correct, but conventionally we always write nth term with respect to the first term. So from our example, can we write general form of any arithmetic progression or any AP? Suppose, say we denote -2 as A1, 0 as A2, 2 as A3, that is third term, and so on until the nth term as An. And the common difference too can be written as D. So if we denote the first term of an AP by A1, second term by A2 till nth term An, and the common difference D, then the AP becomes A1, A2, A3 till An. Or if we want to write this AP in terms of first term, we have first term as A, second term as A plus D, third term as a plus 2d, fourth term as a plus 3d, and so on. This represents the general form of an AP where a is the first term and d is the common difference. Now let us see some examples of AP. The heights of 50 students of a school standing in a queue in morning assembly. The minimum temperatures recorded for a week of a particular city in degrees Celsius. The cash prizes given by a school to toppers of class 1 to 12. List of natural numbers. List of numbers with constant decrease of 30. List of integers. List of threes. List of decimal numbers. And so on. We can keep listing out many examples of APs. Now observe these examples carefully. In first three examples, there are definite number or finite number of terms. Say in first, there will be 50 terms since there are 50 students. In second, there will be 7 terms as the temperatures are recorded for 1 week. And what about the third AP? How many terms will be there? Correct, 12 terms since there are 12 classes whose toppers are given prize money. Such an AP is called Finite AP. So each of these arithmetic progressions or APs will have fixed number of terms and thus will have the last term. Now look at the rest of the examples. Are they finite? Or do they have fixed number of terms? The APs in examples E to H are not finite APs. It is very clear because they are endless sequences indicated by ellipses or 3 dots. Such APs are called as infinite APs or infinite arithmetic progressions, and as evident, they will not have a last term. So students, we have seen what is AP. It is nothing but a kind of sequence which is based on particular formula. Also, we learnt about its elements, namely terms and common difference. Now the question is, to know about an AP or to write an AP, what is the minimum information that we need? Is it enough to know the first term? Or is it enough to know only the common difference? We will see in our next video.